What's up everybody, today I'm gonna unbox some Let's unbox it. Oh, careful. Here we go. Oh. Wow, it's new jack to jack, male female. Next item is instruction. Yeah. Instructions. So the next item in the box is wow. Wow. It's a new iPod Touch. Wow, it's ultra thin. Look at this. Look at this, huh? It's ultra thin. Wow, it's incredible. The next item in the box is wow, it's amazing. New AirPods for my brand new iPod Touch. The next item in the box is Rubik's Cube. Huh? Do you believe it? I'm not. But it's true. Maybe not. The next item is boom. What? What? Why this AirPods not in the box? I think my box was opened before me. So the next item is it's my Blue Yeti. Yeah, it's very long cable. I don't even need this. I don't need this. Here, look at this. It's very long. It's mini jack. Now you can hear my voice from the new Blue Yeti. I heard this, so you can hear the quality of voice and So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, I forgot something. Silica gel. Huh? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a bow. What the fuck?